Hey guys, so I don't make videos about Android applications very often because, well, it's not really an easy way for me to show you Android applications on my Android device without sort of holding it up to a camera. I could use a screen record piece of software, but with all of those pieces of software you need to root your device, and I absolutely refuse to root my Android device. That is not the natural way of things. But today I will make an exception to that rule because I would like to introduce you to a website called fdroid.org. Now, the Google Play Store has a lot of applications that you can run on your Android device. Some of these are free, some of these are paid for, some of these are ad supported, and some of these are open source. However, the open source applications, they can kind of get drowned out in a sea of proprietary software. So what I mean by that is that it's very difficult to determine which is a piece of open source software from which is, say, a piece of ad supported software just off the bat without installing it and trying it out. And that can be a real problem. There are some distinct advantages of using open source software over proprietary software, especially if a proprietary software, as it is with a lot of stuff on the Google Play Store, is sort of poorly supported and really just created as a cash grab, whereas open source applications tend to be much more of a labour of love. So I've recently discovered this website, F-Droid, or f-droid.org, which is a software repository in the same vein as the Google Play Store, or as in any repository on a Linux distribution. You install it using an application file which you download, very easy to do, and then it opens up a repository of free and open source software where you can get a lot of applications which you wouldn't be able to get on the Google Play Store for one reason or another, maybe because they might include ad block and things like that, and also that they are legitimately open source pieces of software, which means that they're going to be updated, they're going to have all the benefits of an open source piece of software without having to wade through ad supported pieces of software on the Google Play Store. And I've tried it for a couple of days now, and I'm really actually quite happy with it. It's just a very easy directory to go to if you want an application that's open source and free, and I've replaced a lot of my software that came on my Google Play Store with open source software that's generally being maintained better and generally a lot more secure. So I'm actually quite happy with that. So if you guys like the Linux users or the open source enthusiasts among you might be very, very interested in F-Droid, because they offer versions of programs, or they offer programs and applications which not only are they not available on the Google Play Store, but they're actually superior and not ad supported as well, which is also pretty damn great. So yeah, f-droid.org. So that's about it from me today. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, I've been Chris Ware, and you've been awesome. Take care now.